Well, good hot Thursday afternoon to ya. It's Dan. I want to welcome you to my home in the sticks. Hope everybody's having a show enough good Thursday. But I'm here to tell you in East Central Mississippi, you know it's going to be hot when it's about 85 degrees at 5 in the morning. Sure enough. Before we get started on this video, I always like to say that if you are new to the channel, we want to welcome you. And if you're returning just to see what old Dan's got going on over her, I sure enough thank you for coming back. What I want to share with you and y'all today is we're going to do a little garden update. It ain't looking good, but I'm going to show it anyway. Give me a second. That's what we fixing to do. All right, let's start out over here by the maters. I got plenty of maters, but I'm here to tell you with all the rain that we've been getting, I got maters just busting wide open. Dan, how's it going with the blossom end rot? Believe it or not, I haven't seen very much after we treated these mater plants with the garden lime and the antacid tablets. So I guess I can say that that's working. Here is our green dragon cucumber. It ain't cucumbering no mo. I believe with all the rain that we got, it just did this cucumber plant in. Combined with the extreme heat that we've been getting, it's probably in the upper hundreds right now. So it's just the rain, the heat, and the humidity is just wreaking havoc on everything. But that's to be expected. Oh, look at her. I hate to see that because that is a pretty mater. And that's an Amanda orange. I actually have maters just dropping off the vine. It's just, it's unbelievable. A lot of these plants are done in. But we're trying to harvest as many maters as we can. The purple hearts are doing really good, surprisingly. I have big clusters of them all over the place. But the one thing that's, I'm gonna say working in our favor, but the one thing that we are doing is we are saving a lot of seeds from the species of maters that we normally can't get here in East Central Mississippi, one being the Amanda orange and the other being the pink bumblebee. We also saved a ton, or we are saving a ton of green dragon cucumbers. We actually let several of the cucumbers get huge and overly ripe, and we harvested the seeds. So once those seeds are ready, anybody that wants to try out some green dragon cucumbers. So if that is the case, and that's going to be the same thing with the pink bumblebee maters, once I get those seeds dried out, and hopefully they'll germinate. I think they will. Drop me an email at homethetosticks@gmail.com if you're interested in either one, and I'll see about getting some seeds out to you. But let's rock on. We're kind of actually letting this garden actually go. We have some peppers that are actually making. We got a few red cayennes, a bunch of jalapenos, and there's long red cayennes, maybe you can see them. Well, we're actually just letting this go for now. With all the rain that we've been getting, with normally more rain in the future, I sat out here and weeded one day, and it was like the next day I had more weeds, just tons of weeds everywhere. All right, here's all of the other stuff that we have growing in grow bags, and believe it or not, the grow bags aren't looking too bad. I got some ghost peppers growing there. I got some that are going to flower, so hopefully we'll get some peppers off of those. Several more maters in some grow bags, and I'm actually doing a little experiment on this. I want to see if a mater plant will actually grow in a 5-gallon grow bag. So we're trying that out. Got more peppers. These are the scorpions, Trinidad scorpions, Mr. D, over at Dan Permaculture Food Forest. Trying them out. But these are the Trinidad scorpions. Let's see. Got more maters. I got some Fucos in here. You know who you are. And here are the Aztec rainbow chili peppers. And I'm here to tell you, these peppers grow really good in 5-gallon grow bags. Peppers all over the place, which is good. I'm glad. What I'm going to try to do is I'm going to try to make some fermented hot sauce with these Aztec chilies, rainbow chilies, and see how it tastes. This is actually a tiff blueberry, and this is a bare root cutting, and it's actually growing real well. as well as all the other berries that we have planted in containers. They're growing, but I think with the heat and the rain, it stunted them in a way. But they are growing. Nothing's dying, thank the good Lord. There, my ever-present black-eyed Susans looking good. We need to water them, guys. And this is something that I wanted to show y'all. I actually planted a pineapple top in this little container right here. And believe it or not, this is the one that I planted, and a pup grew out from the side of it. Isn't that cool? Skylar's laughing. Our green onion cuttings. These actually, Skylar saved some green onion bottoms that we had in the refrigerator, and here are the tops that are growing really well. So we got some green onions we could harvest soon. Got to water those too. Well, it's probably gonna rain, so I might not need to water them. All of the avocados are doing good. Yeah, except asparagus is going to fern as normal. But all of the avocados are doing really good. They're growing, getting a little bit taller. President's hibiscus is looking showing up fine, getting this grow on. Got a whole bunch of new buds on it. Really liking how these hibiscus grow over here, especially in containers. So let's go and walk over here to the south side of 40. I'm gonna show you what's going on over there. It ain't much, but got some stuff going on. Look at here. I know this thing is a mess, I am here to tell you, but we have a whole bunch of black diamond watermelons. What I did was I just put some paper plates out and set the fruits, the melons, on top of the paper plates. For one, we can see them, and number two, they won't rot out on the ground. We got a bunch of black diamond watermelons going. We actually had a really big one hanging about right here, and the weight it tore off the vine because old Dan didn't put it in a stocking or put it in something to support it while it was growing. I hated that because it was a nice sized melon, but the chickens got it. So we got some pita peppers, some jalapenos, a couple of more Tabascos growing in here. But I think the weeds are growing better. There's a look at the pea patch. And I'm here to tell you, the grass is running wild over there, or in there, should I say. It's been so wet over here, I haven't actually been able to get out in this pea patch and run the cultivator in between these rows, just for fear of getting the tractor stuck. We have been picking a bunch of peas. We got a bunch more that we need to pick. See down there at that end, that grass is high. It's just basically killing out the purple hull peas. I'm kind of hoping maybe this weekend I'm gonna try to get in here with the tractor and the cultivator and try to get some of this stuff cultivated up. Try to get the grass from in between the rows. But we'll just have to see, because it sounds like it's gonna, the forecast is sounding like it may rain this weekend. But that's what the pea patch is looking like. Like a jungle. Welcome to the jungle. So y'all, that's what I wanted to share with you and y'all today. Just a little update as to what we have still growing on over here in East Central Mississippi. It is what it is. The weather hasn't been on our side over here, but that's okay. We're still harvesting a few things, and we're still able to put a few things up in the freezer, and that's a blessing in itself. So again, I hope everybody's having a show enough good Thursday, and I really hope that you're staying safe amid this crisis we have going on. If you like this video, go on and give it a thumbs up. They help. If you haven't subscribed to the Homeless Sticks channel, Lord of mercy, y'all need to come on over here, give old Dan a look, because I'm always doing stuff, like trying to grow stuff. With that being said, you know it's coming. Dan Referee showing enough, I always gonna say it. Don't let nobody dull your shine.
And I mean nobody.
You get your shine on. Be you. And Dan will see you and y'all in the next video.